Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I am Allison Alana. If you're new over here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as you enter on in. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today is Tuesday. And I am just doing my routine that I've been doing for the last couple of weeks, which is just wetting my hair with water and brushing it in a ponytail. I'm really gonna try to get to styling my hair today, but we shall see. We just never know what the day is gonna hold for me and all of my obligations. So I'm just doing like a little middle part bun. I'm actually getting ready to leave out, and of course it's raining. It's like every single time I want to go to the grocery store, it starts to rain. And I don't know why that is, and it's annoying me. Because really I don't feel like leaving out today anyway. I got this pain in my shoulder, kind of like when I pulled my muscle. But this time I woke up like that, so I'm just thinking that I slept on it wrong. I need to upgrade my pillows as well. So that could probably help out as well to avoid that happening. But yeah, I'm about to just run to the store. I need to get groceries bad. It's like basically my kids' lunchtime now. And I don't really have nothing in here to eat. This bun is not tight enough, but you know what? Whatever. My poor hair probably so damaged. It's been, I'm saying 2, but it's probably been more like 3 or even 4. I know I haven't done my hair really since June, and it's the end of July. So, like whenever I last did my hair in June, whenever that was like freezing up when my press wore off, it's been a ponytail ever since then, because I really don't be having time to do my hair. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I just threw on this little tiger shirt that I got and some black leggings from Zara. Oh, I hate when it does that. So yeah, headed off to the store.
Let's get the oil because we ran out of it. That's the one you got.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a bigger bottle than that though.
That guy.
I'm gonna also get a pineapple.
Pineapple. Dang, oh, hook that thing up in my hand. I'm about to hook that thing up and make juice.
This Asian salad bar is so good, y'all. Look at this. Now, normally when I come in here, Harris Teeter doesn't really have organic fruit, so I'm happy to see that they got organic strawberries and organic blueberries today.
The strawberry chain. Yeah.
Alright, so let's get. Okay, guys, leave the food alone, okay? Here, you take this. Wait, let me get another pack. Let's see. Let's find the best looking ones, the prettiest ones with no bumps and thumps. Okay, here. Put that in the car. Right here. This way, y'all.
Some grapes that are actually catching the seats.
Where?
Like hardcore grapes. Out of all of these are the only ones.
I like green grapes.
Yeah, let's get done.
But they always be seedless. These cherries looking good.
Look at that.
Seeded table grapes. Why are they only purple? I don't like purple grapes. Alright, so I am slowly gathering that this might be an allergic reaction with my eyes and the excessive itching and stuff. As soon as I came in here, I sneezed already like 5 times. And my nose is just feeling, you know, slightly like it wants to run, but it's not quite running. So I don't know, maybe I need to just go for real to the doctor, which I hate doing because I got to pay a copay and all this other stuff. But just go and see what they're saying. Maybe they can prescribe something that can finally give me some relief. Okay, it is so hot out here. I didn't realize how hot it was earlier because when I came out, you know, it had just finished raining. It wasn't even like that. It wasn't even like that at all. It's 90 degrees outside, out of nowhere. It's blazing hot. And I'm so glad to be done in the grocery store because really, I could only do about an hour and a half tops in the grocery store with the kids. After that, they started just doing way too much, and I gotta get up out of there. I got a lot of stuff, but I feel like I still need more. So I'm gonna try to go to Sam's Club sometime this week and get a few things, probably like more so like their stocks and stuff and some more water. But I came here for the convenience of not having to go out to Sam's Club today. And now I kind of wish I had went, but it's fine. I did get a lot of food, particularly for my freezer, so it should last. Should. Let me see, because I feel like I spent so much money. I feel like I spent so much money.
Yep.
But it's fine. When you got a family, I mean, there's really no way around it. You got to spend it. You just got to spend it, you know? So it is what it is. And right now we're at the gas station. I'm getting some gas because I'm literally on E. I drove to the gas station on E. I mean, to the to the grocery store on E. And I'm like, bro, why haven't I hit the gas station yet? So I got to get that out the way. And then we're going to go in, unpack the groceries. And I wanted to come back out to let them go to the playground, but it's way too hot. If we go anywhere, it would be the splash pad, and it's kind of later on in the day. Let me see, what time is it? Yes, after 3 now. So we spent about 2 hours in the grocery store. So yeah, it's after 3 now, and they close at 5, so it wouldn't be a good idea to go. But maybe tomorrow I'll take them there just so they can have something to be doing. And matter of fact, I think I signed up for like a pass or something for them to go to the pool. I gotta check my email because I know I got something for them to do. Okay, so I'm going to have this Olipop, strawberry vanilla. This is my soda substitute. I don't really drink soda, but when I want one, I get an Olipop because it's way better, way healthier. I got a couple of these today in like a variety of flavors. Some I've had before, some I haven't, so we want to see how they hit as the days go by.
Hey.
You always put stuff back here, that's all I know.
All right, so we're back in. I'm gonna try to get through this grocery haul. It's a lot of stuff, so I might not do it all, but that is my snaps. This is August's snaps. These are August's chocolate chip cookies. Alright, so these were buy one get one free, so you know I had to get 2. Caramel cookie crunch. Velvet cheese. I already showed it. Are you me? I had a cherry vanilla Olipop. Never had the cherry vanilla one before, so hopefully this is what I'm expecting. I got some green beans here. Yogurt. Oh, knocking over my snack. Tropical punch Olipop. Orange squeeze Olipop. And some butter. First bag is out of the way. Chicken broth. I got a lot of chicken broth this time because I bought chicken broth. I was supposed to get chicken stock. How dare I pick up all? Personal items.
That's from my mama.
Noodles that they like. Jelly. Peanut butter that they can have for sandwiches. and rice. I'm taking that back. I hate broth. I only buy stock. That is definitely going back to the store to be exchanged. Bananas, lettuce here, pineapple, blueberries, tomatoes. They just fell off the vine, literally. Rosemary, avocados. Look, don't start with all that, okay? Some potatoes, and that is that. Go sit down. Go sit down. That bag. Baby, you can start moving this stuff off the table. Okay. Hamburger buns. Regular bread. It got a little squish though. Something somehow got on top of it. Bagels. I have. Finally, these are back in stores. They was gone for like 5-6 months.
Really?
These noodles, Martinelli's, the best apple juice on the planet. Blueberry, blackberry acai, ground turkey. So we have about 4 of these. I use these for hamburgers, spaghetti. What else are we making with these? Meatballs, stuff like that. So I usually try to get a lot of these and keep them around. Okay. More of the Cracker Barrel crackers and cheese cuts. Lunch meat, which I wish I would have got the Publix kind, but I didn't go to Publix, so yeah. Cheese for mac and cheese. Also this one, this is what? Vermont Sharp White. Vermont Sharp White, extra cheddar, and Gouda is like the best combo ever for mac and cheese. And they didn't have none of the normal sausages that I normally would get for breakfast, so I got 2 packs of these. So I'm gonna have to find either go to Publix or something, or some other like store. Alright, so chips, they got over on that because I supposed to get one day, they got 2. Broccoli, corn,
No.
Pour him some in the bowl. You do not need to open both of those. Give me that bag, cause you like to overdo stuff.
Squeaky.
That one bag almost gone. All right, heavy cream, cinnamon rolls, 2 things of honey butter biscuits. I'm trying to see this up here. Another, the one that I said buy one get one free, and then some orange juice. All right, a pack of chicken breast. I got drumsticks. I don't ever buy drumsticks or eat drumsticks, but I just feel, let me just get some. I don't really buy them. I mean, they not nasty or nothing, but I just like wings, you know, so.
Can you help me with this? Can I cook it?
A pack of wings. So I just thought I'd push it up today and get some drumsticks.
Why don't I have to do some also?
And then another pack of wings right here. And I'm gonna still get some. I'm gonna get like some steak and fish and stuff from Whole Foods or Publix or something. Alright, so stop moving my tripod, please. I got some spaghetti. This box is whole grain. More broth that's going back to the store. I cannot believe it. I must have been really trying to just get out of there. Because when I start getting irritated, I just be trying to leave. But I know good and dang well I don't use broth for nothing. Some noodles for them. I got this little case of Martinelli's for myself. So this is the last bag. The lady tied this thing around it so I can know which one has the egg. Okay. So in this last bag, we got strawberries.
Oh.
Body wash, Method body wash. I seen the deodorant for this too, but it was like $15. And not a lot for real, but I didn't have it to get that today. But this is some organic eggs, a dozen and a half. Then I got, what's this? Cranberry pomegranate juice. And then some peh, just some water. It's purified alkaline water. So that's what it looks like. And that's it for the groceries.